if people get the £4.99 wash, you still get soap on its way up.
That's right good then, isn't it? It's only on one side, Tom.
What?
Soap.
Like it does it on both sides.
Oh. Let me put my purse in there, love.
Got this thing to put on. Also, I'm going to be filming outside at this one.
Yeah, would you like me to put it on?
Yeah, put this on,
Yeah.
please. Hi guys, it's Morrisons halfway. Sorry I missed the about 30 seconds of this because we was getting the petrol. So I really apologise. I don't know if washes this is $2.99 or the $4.99 wash. I paid for the gold wash £6.99. My auntie is just putting the wiper on at the back. And to all these people who knows the Car Wash TV channel, I do really sorry about not being filming for the last 4 weeks. Because it's due to I've been really busy with Christmas and all that. I'm now back into progress. So, surprise today, I'm doing a Morrisons car wash in Halfway, Sheffield. Car behind us now. I think he's paid for a dry this one, $4.99 wash. I think he should move up to code box, I think. Let there's more room in. Yeah. Yeah, I told you about this, about that $4.99 wash. That just only has to wash it dry.
Oh! It's blowing bubbles!
Don't know about me though, filming that car behind after.
No. Just ours, yeah?
Yeah. You can see where it has though.
She's not going to be able to get out because of traffic. Not very good,
No.
is it?
That silly white car behind this great booking. So I reckon he's paid for it. You know when this is finished, I'm going to go down to the front.
Okay. Right, excited, my car.
Yeah. So, you said on that code box, car wash busy, please wait. Right, sadly, we do have a car behind us waiting after us. Next video, this video will be on the Car Wash in Rotherham channel. If you want to watch this car, it'll be on the other channel, Car Wash's TV channel. You can reach that. This is my auntie's car wash I'm normally filmed. Telling me just
Hello.